Hey guys, my name is Right For The Stores and I'm the CEO and founder of the Self-Cut System. I was born in the Philippines and came to the States when I was 8 years old. Grew up in a middle-class family and was taught at an early age that I had to earn the things I wanted and nothing was going to be given to me. So I guess you can say that I didn't grow up with a silver spoon. And I knew my parents couldn't afford to give me the things I wanted as a kid. So I started working odd jobs to make money. Things like shoveling snow, washing people's cars, and walking my neighbor's dogs. So while my friends were playing video games and riding bikes on the weekends, I was out there picking up dog food. At only 11 years old, working to me meant I was making my own money and that's all I cared about. It helped me develop the work ethic, the skill set, and the right mindset to become self-reliant at an early age. When I was in high school, I had an experience that changed my life forever. Since I can remember, I've been obsessed with looking fresh and having a short haircut. So much so that I would see my barber once a week. And he was the best, so lots of people would see him once a week just like me, which was great, except that I would have to wait a long time before I can get into the chair. And that was fine, except one Saturday morning, I waited 4 hours for a haircut. Since I had a lot of things to do that day, I decided to skip it and went straight to the local drugstore and bought myself a pair of clippers and learned how to cut my own hair. And I got so good at cutting my own hair that all my friends and classmates began paying me to cut their hair as well. And I quickly became known as Rightford the Barber. I even took a job at the local barbershop after school. My big idea, believe it or not, happened while watching a show called The Big Idea with Donnie Deutsch on CNBC. He featured a simple razor company that was making $8 million a year, and that was all I needed to hear. If that bald-headed dude can come out with a simple idea like that and make millions, why can't I? So I went back to my personal frustration, and that's how I came out with the idea for Self-Cut System. Self-Cut System is an educational platform designed to teach people how to cut and style their own hair using our first ever portable 3D mirror that allows you to see all angles of your head. It's perfect for barbers or anyone who enjoys cutting their own hair. Because I never quit my nursing job and I was still cutting hair on the side, I was able to bootstrap my company from my mom's basement. And we're now currently selling our products on Amazon and in major retailers such as Walmart, Sam's Club, Target, and AAFES military stores. We've been featured on QVC and on ABC Good Morning America with our product line growing and expanding every year. So I guess my big idea worked.